Welcome my friends to Out of the Blue Artistry, where we seek sanity by filling our hearts with creativity. And today we'll be making the hat stands and the coat racks which will go into our Mad Hatter's house from the last episode. I've eyeballed a height for the coat racks, cut the required lengths and sanded the rough bits. I've cut short pieces from the wooden skewers with a 45-degree angle on one side of each, which will become the arms of the coat racks. 6 arms on each rack, 3 up top and 3 offset but lower. I had already made these ceiling rosettes with a mould and some hot glue, which just so happened to be pretty awesome as stands. Along with these cool little wooden corners, I'm also going to chop some of these little wooden corners in half and to make a different kind of stand again. But for the purpose of this video, I'm simply going to chop 4 small 45-degree wedges from the same wood as the main post. After a light sand, I'll glue them to the bottom to let dry with some tacky craft glue. When dry enough, I'll give them a base coat of black acrylic paint and sit aside to dry. And here's how they all look at this stage. While that's aside drying, I'll delve into a jar of wood beads and combine some to make little individual hat stands. I found it was easier to use some toothpicks to thread the beads onto one another and glue into place. I tried to make the design similar but with a little variance. Don't worry about the colours because I'm going to paint them anyway. A set of flush cutters were perfect to lop off the protruding toothpick, a quick sand to make it neat, and then I set to work painting them with acrylic black paint too. This gold foil paint needed a hefty stir as I prepped it to dry brush onto my minis. Dry brushing is very much as the name suggests. Don't have too much wet paint on your brush, make sure that your brush is dry, and dab off lots of excess paint, which means that you can work over the raised areas of a piece so that only those raised areas cop the colour, therefore bringing out those glorious details. Oh, so satisfying, so easy, and so done. So, thank you for hanging out with me. If you found value in my video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. I hope you check in again and check out some of my other videos. You know, a comment would do my heart wonders. In the meantime, please stay safe, sane and creative, my sanity seekers. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye.